For any property and casualty agent using Agency Expert, the ACORD form module is a fantastic add-on. GBS has put together the ACORD form module with every available ACORD form, over 1,300 forms in all, and constantly growing. The ACORD forms are electronic forms which are filled out on your computer screen based on the information found in an individual or business client or prospect record. The data from the individual or business, in addition to the policy information, agent information, and carrier information, can be pulled into the form automatically to lessen your data entry. To begin the process of filling out an ACORD form, simply pull up your client record, whether it be business or individual. Once the client's record is displayed, simply click on Options, then PNC Module. The PNC Module screen will be displayed. This is a screen through which you will search for the form you desire. Searching can be performed based on the name of the form, the abbreviation which is designated by ACORD, the form number, or the state for those forms that are state specific. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will be completing a personal auto policy change request. Once you've located the form you wish to fill out, and the proper version of that form, which is dictated by the year it was published, simply click on the form, then select. Once the desired form has been selected, the ACORD search interface is displayed. This search interface allows you to input the agent, individual, and business, and also the policy from which data will be pulled to automatically fill out many of the fields of the form. Once you have searched for and selected the policy, agent, and the individual or business from which you wish to pull data to fill out your ACORD form, simply click on Add New. The ACORD form will then be displayed on your screen. Across the top of the ACORD form interface, you'll see a number of icons. A button to create a new form, to save the current form you're working on, to save the current form in a PDF format, to delete the form, print the form, email the form, or fax the form. There are also 4 other icons of importance. The link icon allows you to search for and replace the current policy, agent, individual, or business that is being displayed on the form. To do so, simply highlight the field, delete the data, then complete a new search. The Find button allows you to search based on policy, agent, individual, or business, and a date range to find other ACORD forms that have been created. To perform a search, simply key in the data for your search into the various fields that are displayed. Once you have done so, clicking on the Search button will execute the search and display the ACORD forms that have been previously saved which fit your search criteria. The Set Default button allows the data that has been input into the ACORD form, which is not automatically dragged into the form from a record, to be saved. Defaults can be set up for various forms to save data entry time. Finally is the Individual and Business button. By clicking on this button, the form can be changed from an individual form to a business form, or vice versa. This allows any ACORD form to be used for either a personal lines form or a commercial lines form. You're now ready to start inputting data into your form. Note that while some data is pulled into the form from the database, many fields are not tracked in the database and thus must be input by hand. This is done by clicking on the desired field and keying in the data which you wish to display in your form. As you can see, filling out the form is a fairly easy process and not very time-consuming. Once the form is saved, the form is linked to the record of the individual or business for which it has been created. The form can then be pulled up later, changes to be made, doing purposes, or to send the form via email or fax. Once you have completed all your entries on the form, simply click Save and you're done. Once you have completed your ACORD form, or at any time in the future wish to retrieve a previously completed form, simply locate the individual or business record, click on the Attachments tab, and your ACORD forms will be displayed.